Greetings, my name is Sharan, and together with Chun, Zhang Chi, Jiawen, and Dion, we are from Lab Group SS4. Today we will be introducing our RRPS system through the point of view of a restaurant staff using the system. As a staff, I can select my own staff account as shown. I am also able to change the staff account. If I like to, I can create a new staff account. Lastly, I can also remove a staff account. One of the main mechanisms of our platform is the reservation system. I'll first create some reservations. Now, as you can see, earlier I made an input error whereby they asked me for my selection type, and instead of selecting an option, I accidentally put in a string, and so I got an error message saying invalid input type. After that, when I tried to create a reservation for 10 packs at noon, 14 November, I get a message saying that there are no available tables and thus no reservation made. Because earlier, another customer named Jason already created a reservation at noon for 10 packs. So there are no tables for Timothy to get a reservation for 10 people. Let us check the available tables. As we can see, we have tables 3 and 7 available for reservation from now onwards, but they only allow 4 packs and 8 packs respectively. So let us change Timothy's reservation a bit. Instead of 10 packs, we'll now have 8 packs. And now, Timothy is able to get a reservation for 8 packs at table 7. I will now continue to create new reservations. As you can see, Cami is also not able to get a reservation for herself. Let us check the table availability. As you can see, all tables are reserved, so Cami will have to wait until tables there is at least one available table for 4 packs minimum that she can reserve. Now the time is 12:15 p.m. Let us now check the table availability again. Now, as you can see, table 2 is now available. This is because even though it was reserved by Mel at 11:30 a.m., but no order has been made yet. So it is assumed Mel did not show up, and thus the table is made available again and the reservation is cancelled. In this case, if somebody were to make a reservation for 2 pax right now, they will be able to get table 2. Right now, if we were to check for Mel's reservation, this is what we will get. Input Mel's name and her phone number. We can see that the reservation for Mel has expired at noon. Now, let us move on to the next feature of our application. I am also able to check for an existing reservation using the customer's name and contact number. Likewise, I am also able to delete an existing reservation using the customer's name and their contact number. The current time now is 12:15 p.m. So let us create some orders now. Customers are given a grace time of 30 minutes to show up, and if no orders are made within the 30 minutes after reservation time, the table is released and the reservation is cancelled, like what happened with Mel. Now, assuming Jason, Wonka, Mike, and Timothy have arrived, let's create their orders now. To create an order, I've entered the table ID for the table I'm going to create an order for. We can view the current order, add items or sets, and remove items or sets. Since currently Wonka's order is empty right now, let us add some items for him. Let's say we would like to add an a la carte item. We have this selection of a la carte items here, so we'll select the roast meat, quantity 1, and perhaps we will add another a la carte item. This time we'll add scrambled egg with prawns, ID number 7, quantity 1. Now, if we were to view the current order again, it shows the items we have added along with the prices. We can also remove the items. Since there are a la carte items in Wonka's order, we will go to remove a la carte items from order, and we can input the index of the item we would like to remove. I would like to remove roast meat, so I'll input 1, quantity 1. Viewing the current order again shows us just the scrambled egg with prawns along with the price. Now I will create orders for the rest. I have elected to add a promo set for Mike's table, which is table number 3. So let us add promo number 1, which is ID 1, quantity 1, and clicking view current order shows us the promo set with the total price. Now I will create orders for the other customers too. After creating the orders, we can also edit existing orders by adding or removing items. For example, I'd like to edit the order of table number 3. So I'll input the table ID, and maybe I will remove an item. First, I'll view the order. I see it's a promo item, so I'll just remove the promotional set from the order. And now we can see there are no items in the order currently. After creating the orders, we are able to see the timings at which the tables are available for reservation again. We can do this by going back to the reservation menu and checking for table availability. And we can see that there are some tables that only allow certain timings for reservations again. As we can see, now table ID 1, Wonka's order, has been closed, and so has his reservation. Let us continue for the other tables. From the order invoices, it can be seen that discounts are given for members. We have a membership record that details the name and contact number of members. So over here, we can see that Jason is a member. So he gets a $3 membership discount. Right now, we can go and check the available tables left after closing all of the orders. As we can see, since all the orders are cleared, now all the tables are available once more. The print invoice is to list all of the order details like the receipt at a restaurant. After printing the invoice, it is assumed the customer has paid the bill and the order and reservation for that table is closed. The table is also made available. So let us view the order invoices now. The revenue shows us the total revenue and sales report, and the sales report can be printed for a daily or monthly time period. Let us take a look. Go to the main menu and go to revenue. Over here, we can view the total revenue. For example, over here, total revenue is shown as this amount. Thank you very much for viewing this demonstration of our system. We hope you understand the functionalities of our application and how it can be put to use. Thank you very much.